Tusha and uh, Chamod winning the gold. As we come here to the introduction of the women, Nepal is in the third lane, just being introduced. The second of the teams is India. That the Indian team is Tamanna Jilna, MV, Sudeshna Shivankar and Sakshi Chavan. They should be the favorite along with the Sri Lankans. And that's the Sri Lankan team. They are in 5. Fernando Amasha De Silva, Ratnaike and Yamik. You remember Yamik won a gold in the 100 meters. Maldives is in 6. Nepal, of course, going back. Jairani, Seema, Ramita and Saraswati Chaudhary. The Maldives is Faiz, Salim, Shafeen and Nizar. And the last of the teams is Bangladesh, Runa, Khatun, Akhtar and Diwan. This is the final event of the second day, as we are joined here by Sandeep Singh, who is Sanjana's coach. We have some time because the warm-up for the 4x100 meters women. There they go now, the Sri Lankans and the Indians. Watch out for the others as well. Nepal in 3, Maldives in 6, Bangladesh in 7. India, the first of the beaten exchanges. Silva for Sri Lanka, Jilna for India. And they go on to the home straight there. 2 more to go from here on. India taking that slight advantage. The Sri Lankans doing well. For Sri Lanka, Ratnaike, Sudeshna, Shivankar for India. Now coming on to the final bend. Yes, that's going to happen now. Yamik and Chavan. That's close. Look at that. Brilliant run from both of them. The Sri Lankan slightly better or even better takes the gold, following the footsteps of the men. India take the silver. That's the finisher. 7-0 for the Sri Lankans. 44.93 for India. And the Maldives, 47.79, take the bronze. As we continue our chat out here with Sandeep. So, 1500 मीटर